Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads finish reliably. Once ready, open the Themes app or Google Play to find a compatible live wallpaper. This is how Realme recognizes formats. You must grant storage and display permissions, otherwise the system can't save or preview the file. Tap the wallpaper to download. Make sure the file matches your screen resolution, so animation runs smoothly and battery impact stays. You now install and apply the live wallpaper. After download, tap Install or Apply inside the app. If it's a third-party app, choose Set as Wallpaper from its menu. Then long press the home screen, select Wallpaper, choose Live Wallpapers, and pick the installed option. Once selected, adjust preview settings like loop, sound, and battery saver so animations behave properly. Make sure to select home screen or lock screen or both. This determines where the animation runs and its battery footprint. You finish by confirming apply for home screen and lock screen choices so the wallpaper activates immediately. Once done, observe animation and touch responsiveness. If it doesn't animate, restart the phone to reset the launcher. If problems persist, revoke then regrant storage and overlay permissions, or uninstall and reinstall the Wallpaper app to clear corrupted cache. Remember, heavy live wallpapers use more CPU and battery, so make sure battery saver isn't limiting background animation before assuming a fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.